This is the main street in Asmara. As you can see, it's still very peaceful. It's a Monday and lots of work going on. This is the bustling city of Asmara. Shoe cleaners. Shukran. It's very hard to do it one-handed. Thank you. Alright, I've locked my bike. Kieran can't lock his bike, but you said yourself this is the safest city in Africa.
In Africa though.
Yeah, that's still way safer than London.
Yeah, to be fair, I think it's safer than London, but you're in the capital city of an African country, and this is literally the centre of a market, so...
And